In this video, we are going to go over how to distribute multi-location financial reports using BizBroadcast. BizBroadcast gives you the ability to automate Microsoft Excel reports in a variety of different formats, such as PDFs and value reports. I have already created a few different reports using BizInsight. I want to generate multiple reports based on different locations. The first step when using BizBroadcast is to open the BizBroadcast ribbon at the top of Excel. Next, click the New Distribution Template icon. A new tab should open in the workbook. First, choose a specific render format. This is the output format you want your report to be in. For this example, we are going to do a PDF format and an Excel values spreadsheet. Choose the path you want your PDF reports to be sent to. I'm going to place them in the C drive, so I will type C://. I want the Excel values spreadsheet to be emailed to ceo@reports.com, so I will put that in the email to column. In the email subject column, I will put equals F7. That's the column containing the file name. We will do that later. In the selection column, type each of the tabs you want to distribute and separate each one by a semicolon if there are multiple tabs you want. I'm going to put IS location: income statement for the PDF line. I will type IS rolling in the XLSX values line. In the file name column, I'm going to create a name for each one of the files. For the PDF line, I'm going to create a dynamic name based on the tabs I select in the selection column. First, I will type a concatenate string, equals concatenate, open parentheses, double quote, monthly report, dash, double quote, comma, E6. For the values row, I will type a concatenate string as well to pull a dynamic name. I will type equals concatenate, open parentheses, double quote, monthly report, dash, double quote, comma, E7, close parentheses. These will update every time you change your selection column. Next, we are going to add an additional parameter so it will choose all of the different locations for the XLSX values line. The first step is to go back to your report, the IS Rolling tab, and name the cell containing the validation list of all of your locations. In this example, we are going to give it a named range of location. Type that in the top left box next to the formula bar. Go back to the Broadcast Distribution List tab and type location in cell G5 under Additional Parameters. In cell G7, we are going to list out all of the locations we want to see, separated by a pipe. I'm going to type Dallas, pipe, Houston. Next, we will click the red exclamation point and run the BizBroadcast Distribution List. A box will pop up letting you know when it is finished processing. Note, do not close Excel when it is in the middle of processing BizBroadcast. Depending on how many different lines you have created and how many different selections, such as the different locations, that will affect how long it takes to process a BizBroadcast report. It's going through and updating each report based on the information you selected and pulling the most up-to-date information. Click OK and go to the place where you put your file path. Open the PDF and notice how each report is separated into a different bookmark on the left-hand side, according to the selections you made on the Biz Broadcast Distribution tab. You can scroll through them and see how they change. Now we will go to Outlook and look at our value reports. Notice the email subject and email to lines in the email correspond to our Biz Broadcast list. I will double-click on the email attachment and look at the reports. Notice how each location is in a different tab. As you scroll through each tab, the location changes. This is a value report that you can send to anyone regardless of if they have BizInsight. It will show them just the values. And those are the quick and easy steps for using Biz Broadcast in a multi-location report. For more information about BizNet software, contact us below or check out our website at biznetsoftware.com.